I'm a diamond. You need reminding. This moment of time.
Do you not get the concept? Hi guys, it's your girl Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading out on a little mini staycation. Like I legit fill you guys in on like what our next couple of days would have been like. So we're now en route to Negril. And we're here with the boys. Say hi boys! Ah, where are we going?
We're going on vacation.
Where are we going? Vacation! So we're going to Negril. Have you ever been to Negril? No, Javi, have you ever been to Negril? Where's Javi? I can't see you. Have you ever been to Negril? Have you ever been to Negril?
No.
Alright guys, so journey with us and see what we get up to.
Beautiful thing that I got.
Come, let's go.
No, not because I have my sweater on.
Yeah, sweater and a sonnet. So we're at the, what do I call it now, the border of St. Elizabeth and what? Where's that? Let's go. Come back. We took some pics. So yeah. And as you guys know, the boys have an entire storybook about their journey across Jamaica. So it's kind of nice to actually drive across Jamaica, right? So you can see the different parishes. So yeah, now going back in the car now to continue our journey. Javi, how did you like the journey so far? Tired?
I just want to reach to that house already.
We soon reach. Come. No, we're not here, but
speed bumps ahead.
oh, it's alright. So we're literally 2 hours in our journey, guys. We left out like a little after 8. It's now 10:22, and we have 2 more hours to go according to GPS. 2.5. They're about to get to the grill, but we're doing pretty good on time. You know, we're not in any rush or anything. But yeah, we didn't take the scenic route. We don't even know which route we take. We take the toll, and then we take a next local road. But the road them bad people, I said no lie. But yeah, the journey continues. So yeah, we soon get there. Soon get there.
But I was on the other side and didn't know this. I will waste no time when it comes to
No running, no. When we enter,
Can we take off my shoes?
yes, baby, can take it off.
Use the bathroom.
It's like a little powder room.
Mommy, I can't take
Yes,
off
take off your shoes, my love. Take off your socks as well. Then we have the living area. There's a TV right here. Ceiling fans. And then we have a little dining area right here. And then outside you have this lovely balcony. Chairs over there, you can eat. Oh, and the beach is over there, boys. Look.
I already saw that already.
I didn't see it.
I see it.
Oh, the pool is over
You
that
guys saw it
side.
first. I was the one that saw it first.
That's lovely. This is nice. Air conditioner and thing. And over here is a little kitchenette. How cute. So I have fridge, microwave, toaster oven, the works. And they also have like a washer and dryer. No plan to do no washing still. Yeah, Daddy's gonna come give us a tour. He's giving the tour.
You can check the final tour.
Go. So it's a 2-story complex. So upstairs, I'm assuming the bedroom.
Wow.
Okay.
What is this room? Now we don't want to find this bacon. No, we can't.
Bathroom.
Look, it's a balcony.
Bathroom for this one.
No.
This is the kids' room. So 2 beds in here.
I'm sleeping.
You have the AC. Which bed do you want? Pick one, Jamir. Watch him.
We're gonna sleep on the same bed.
No, pick one.
I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one.
Alright, while you guys choose, we're over the master bedroom.
I like to pee.
This is it. This is nice and
Mommy,
quaint.
Dad was going to pee.
Sure.
This is so cool.
In the bathroom for the master.
I gotta wait.
Have a nice little shower.
We got to wait 4 hours.
Yeah, it took us 4 hours to get here. They also have a tub.
I'm gonna go in.
Sure, later we can fill it up for you guys. You have this nice little vanity area here. And you have a nice little sink. Oh, there's another balcony. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we have to hold Jamir and for the one here. Ooh, this is a nice view. I love this view. I love this view now. But yeah, this is it. This is a mansion. Oh, they also have a little closet.
We can put our things in there.
Yeah, you can go and sleep in there if you want to. But this is our bed. Okay? Not yours. Alright, so that's it for the tour, guys. There's more?
Yeah.
What? There's more?
Balcony.
Another balcony?
Another
Ooh.
closet.
More closet space. This is nice. This balcony is big though. Hey, young man, you come here. You come right here, sir. This is nice. I can see lots of beach parties up here, you know. Right up here, you can keep us the party up here. There's a secret room. Where?
This room.
Where? It's probably just like a linen closet or a storage closet, my love.
It won't open. Because it's not really connected right here.
It's okay. So guys, that's it for our little tour, our little house tour. I love how cute and quaint the space is. What you guys think?
Are you gonna live here for 1 day?
Yeah, we're gonna stay here for 3 days. So we're actually here for 3 days.
Oh yeah! I'm gonna play some. Oh man, I
So you guys can enjoy the space.
PS5.
Yeah, man, your daddy bring the PS then.
What? Daddy brought the PS5? Yay!
Daddy, you hear that?
Hey, Daddy brought the
So we're just
PS5.
going to
Where is it?
freshen up, get our stuff in because we have not. Give me a sec. And get our stuff out of the car, you know, get situated in the space. I don't really plan to unpack, like fully unpack the last time we did. But I think I just might leave out the suitcase because, as I said, it's just 3 days. It's like a little weekend stay, except it's in the beginning of the week. But yeah, guys, I'll be there shortly. So yeah, that's the vibe. The pool kind of far off still, but the beach is looking very inviting. So we might hop in a little bit later, but as usual, I'll take you guys along. But for now, your girl is starving and we need to go and unpack. So let's go and get the stuff out of the car. Please come in to help. So guys, the girl just woke up from a little nap. Like, listen, the drive down, it was just so exhausting. Like, it was like 4 hours, almost 5 hours, because we had a little delay. So we're like stuck in traffic for a little while, so I legit had to hold on to 5. Now I'm trying to get something to eat. Jason and the boys are downstairs blowing up balloons. I think they're doing a cute little setup, so I just take on myself and come up here, guys. Come lie down because I didn't want to ruin the surprise, even though Javi already gave it away in a little sense, but I already knew they were gonna be blowing up balloons. So while they're doing that, I am going to get something to eat. Still tired, so I might go back and lie down. But so far I am loving this place. It's like a little townhouse. It's just nestled in a little quaint little spot. Like it's on the front page, but not really on the front page, if you get me. And like the beach access is what I love the most, because I can just like walk to the beach. It's just a couple feet away. But yeah, I plan to spend a lot of time on the beach today, and we might go down soon, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me, of course. But it's looking a little bit bleaky, so the sooner the better. But I just have to wait and see what they're planning and things. So just there a chill as usual, guys. And I'm just so blessed to see 32. This morning Jamaica was like, "Mommy, you're 32," and I'm like, "Yes, my love, I'm 32, 42 and thriving too." So yeah, just grateful and blessed. Blessed is an understatement. So you guys, that's it for me for now. I'll check back in a little later because the girl is beat. If you pop it in, you don't have trouble. I'll start this on charge because I'm not there this country. We're in finally. It's raining. That means we can't go to the beach anymore, guys. Rain wash over plans. Yes, Javi, I'm finally 32. You think I was waiting for this day to be 32? Jamir, we're taking the time. Go on, help. So you should have it that time. Here. Alright, Jamir, we're going out.
I'm gonna go with you.
Go, Jamir. What's up, people?
I'm with mommy. Mommy, I'm with daddy.
Very fun. Really good. What is it? Everybody. No, go. You see? No, you're addicted. Javi's gonna be so sad that he missed it. Javi was Spider-Man. People, it is hours later. Like hours later, I'm gonna tell you. It's about like 6:45. I went ahead and made reservations at Miss Lily's, and if you don't hear me talk about Miss T, for the hear me talk about this Miss T is Miss Lily. I don't know where I'm gonna get Miss T from. Feeling a bit stuffy because I was out playing in the rain. I know some as my stomach, like my mother would kill me if she knows that me do. Out playing in the rain, and No, I'm stuffy, but we have reservations at 7, so I have to hurry up and do a little beat. Alright, get cute. As I said, we're going to Miss Lily's at the Skylark Hotel in Negril. I've never been there before and I've heard good things. Checked out the menu, it seems okay, and they do have stuff for kids, or like, why not? As I said, it's like minutes past 6 and we have a reservation for 7, but luckily it's like 13 minutes out, so we can do a quick little beat and go grab something to eat. So that's the vibe. Where is my edge control? And one thing I hate about like hotel stays is that my stuff is just all over the place. I tried to pack out as much as I could, but stuff's still all over the place. Leaving out of a suitcase, which was my decision by the way, but we're just all over the place. And in a case like this where may rush, it's just gonna make things worse. And I don't want to get frazzled. Just want to take time, do a little subtle beats, and call it a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some music. I'm gonna give a little throwback R&B vibe, because if I don't know, I love the throwback R&B. We're gonna beat our face. So yeah, run the track.
Does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no, he's sorry.
I don't know why we medicine.
Didn't see it here. You hear the fish?
Just flush it.
Put on the top, you're not taking the tablet yet. You have your wallet, right? Let us see your wallet.
Found it in my car.
Alright, let's go boys, go daddy. Rings. It's as usual, let me see face.
Yes, it's
Alright, go.
You
Want to grab a pen and something can come on? I say mama. Oh yeah, mama next one. Oh, mama next one. Alright, this is it. Where coming books is? Alright, this one is it. Let's see. Basically. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. Come on, let's go. We're late. Let's see the fits. This is Jamir's outfit, boys. Turn, let me see. Jamie, let's see. Alright, we're going out. Open the door first. Yeah. Anything you like? Jamie, may I ask if you say anything you like? Jamie, say anything you like? What you like? Fish?
I would want the French fries.
You want French fries?
Yeah, just French fries.
Jason, what about you?
I'm not sure.
Jamir, what you want?
Chop?
Fish? Let me look if any fish up on the menu. Oh, them have fish and chips. You want the fish and chips? Which is fish with fries. French fries. Pepper. One butter?
For him. Yeah, he's a fish and chip.
Oh, chicken and fish.
Yeah.
Thank you. Jamir, don't take the bread yet, okay?
So we have fresh bread rolls with butter or pepper pot soup, complimentary for the chef.
Thank you.
In temperature, it's not a shot, it will be. She's coming with some simple. It's a pepper pot soup. Basically vegetarian bit. So if they try it and they want to have it, then I'll bring it. But normally the kids don't really like it.
Yeah, alright, thank you. Yes, baby. It's soup. I'm gonna taste it. It's like cocoa bread. This is the butter. So guys, we're at Miss Lily's. It's a little bit noisy, but customer service is great so far. We got like complimentary soup on the house. I'm gonna taste this and tell you how it is. Everybody's just chilling and vibing. It's definitely a whole vibe here. Yes, am I dark? Are you seeing me? Or is it okay? Okay. So yeah guys, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. Jamie wants a little photo. Jamie, are you okay? Jamie made his order. Jamie, are you okay? Cheers, Jason.
He's so replaceable.
Hey, hey, hey,
You're worth the chase.
And it's supposed to dark. So guys, we are just done with dinner and we had so much food. We had like, you know, leftovers. So yeah, it was a lovely experience. I definitely love to come back in the daytime. And now we're leaving because I am tired and I'm sleepy. The boys are also pissing us to leave because they don't like the nightlife just like mommy.
Saying that because I wanted to leave because I was done with my food.
So he was done with his food, so he was out. So yeah, we're going home now to chillax. Jamir, can you get down? I will see y'all in the morning. this the next morning. Listen, it's about 7 o'clock. Oh my god, the water is so beautiful. Let me show y'all. The water is so pretty. It's calling my name. See, the water is calling my name. Let me try to open these blinds. Let some air in the place. The after effects of the birthday shenanigans, as you can see, a little birthday backdrop is no more. Just have beer balloons all over the place, and the boys are all sleeping. The big boy and all my little kitties, they're still sleeping because I'm the morning person. Like, it's like 7:50 right now, almost 8 o'clock, and I've been up since 7. I want to go ahead and make some breakfast so when they get up they have something to eat, and so that we can, you know, move the day along a little bit faster, because we want to go to the beach this morning because we didn't get to go yesterday and the place is also a mess, so I want to do some cleaning up and then go make breakfast. And I'm starving, guys, but I have leftovers from dinner last night at Miss Lily's. I have some pasta and the pasta was busting. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have that. I'm just gonna get some tea in my system because I'm a tea girl, I'm a morning girl. So yeah, that's the vibe. So let's see what we can get done before they wake up. Here, that's how I wake up, guys. We're gonna get a garbage bag and put all that balloon them in.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite.
Never expect enough to wake up so early. Boy, them still asleep. The boys are helping with breakfast. Jump here. Mix up the
When you're
cheese.
recording, doing nothing, okay?
What?
Nothing.
I'm not doing anything but recording. Listen to me. I make breakfast every day. What do you say?
The mommy is right. We should be cooking, Abby, by the way.
Okay. Jamir, mix it like this. Jamir is making scrambled eggs. Those sausages look like them can't come out now. We have pancakes over there. Ah, the brother them tired of it.
But mommy, what did happen to the chocolate pancake I bought at the supermarket?
I'm not sure what happened to it. Jeffy, what happened to the chocolate pancake?
What chocolate?
The ones that was at the supermarket that we took up.
That was bad?
The one that we said Jamie and I go eat.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know either.
What happened?
Who is that someone?
I think it was you.
If Jamie informed me that I think someone put it back and I think that someone was you. I don't know, I cashed it out, my love. I don't know what happened.
Because you didn't know that Jamaica
Thank you, baby.
going to eat it, so all you do is just put it back.
Well, next time we're going to the supermarket, we're gonna get Jamaica's. What are we gonna get the Jamaica?
The chocolate cone.
Yes, sorry. Maybe the cashier forgot to cash it.
Let's see, who should I upgrade?
I think everything cashier forgot to cash it. Yes.
Mommy, apparently my Jackson running hit his toe.
Where? I'm coming, go. Wait on me, Jamie. So guys, we are out for a little beach day today. The sun is out shining and you know, such a beautiful day. We haven't been to the beach yet, so we decided to go to the beach today. Go Javi, walk in front of me. We have all our stuff. Boys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. What? Oh, somebody's paragliding.
Isn't that Topper?
They're paragliding. Let me show y'all.
Isn't that Topper?
See, they're all the way out there paragliding, parasailing, I
I don't
think.
know who's that Topper because he does some of those.
Who's Topper?
He's a famous YouTuber that uses
Somebody
uncontinued products. He picked bad
Me,
products
go find that.
and I think that's him.
Thing me attack.
I think that's him.
See, because I watch what happened to Sarah, I'll stay on land, but it looks fun. And the water is so pretty. Come on, love. No, they're gonna be okay. Don't worry. We have towels. You can spread your towels. Come, Javi, go further. Trust your father. Go. Jump, Jamir. Jump. Good.
No, hold it. It's working me. Hey,
Good job. You're swimming.
It's getting too big. Daddy, it's not getting big. Mommy, the water's sucking me. The water was sucking me. I'm going to slow.
Get my ear wet in but such is life. The boys over there building a hole or digging a hole. Stretch out. tired. I could have sleep right here, so. Should I?
So,
I have to go get lunch soon. One of them soon. Please. So it's called police button cookies, aka police button. What happened? I just want one. What's up, my love? And it tough? No, so how you bite them so here? Oh my god. It tastes so bad. It's on Donkey Kong basically tastes the same. All of them look up. Pastry tastes the same, just different form. Jamie, what you saying? Where is he? He's buried my son. Javi, you really make a brother bury you? Javi say yes. Javi is being buried. Cover his legs.
I'm gonna help you.
You alright?
Yes.
You're all your deep too. Need help?
Yeah. You can use it.
Can you use some help?
Yeah.
So guys, we are out for brunch today. Kind of open. We're out with the boys. Javi, say hi.
Hi.
It's a bit hot. Show them your fit. You want to show them your outfit? So you're wearing a black two-piece set, some sneaks. Where's Jamir? Jamir, don't want to come? Can't go in, my love. Jamir. Jamir, come. Come around here. Jamir is running late. Show them your outfit, Jamir. Jamir.
The same outfit Javi has.
Alright, go. I wonder if it not even lead. Well, I think it does. This is the first right turn. You guys are out for brunch. Why the sound so low?
Where are we going?
We are going to Ivan's, is it? So we're going to Ivan's. It's supposed to be like a restaurant, lounge type vibes. Miss Lily's was absolutely spectacular last night, so we're hoping that, you know, we get the same type of customer service. The food is just as good, so we're gonna take you guys along with us, of course. And as you know, Jason, you know you're going left. Stop it. So where else could we go if not there? Jesus. Yeah, because we usually go straight, so now we go left. Listen. Yes, because it's full of speed bumps, it's full of turns. So you guys, come along with us for our little birthday brunch date. I almost have a mini heart attack. I mess with my purse. But then again, I don't need my purse. What are you giving a look for? Do I need my purse? Alright, turn back and let's go for my purse. Sisters, can you stop? Only thing in my bag are some lip gloss, people, and probably my ID. Okay, when you're out with your man, that's all you need. Anyways, enough of me rambling. Let's go and see what the vibe is like.
185.
Exploded! Who's hitting me? Guys, check this out. Check this out. Look at that. Making a laser show in the
So guys,
sky.
we are at Ivan's restaurant. I'm actually getting lunch. I've been saying brunch, but it's actually lunch. I'm just looking through the menu to see if they have anything that I like. And then we can order. Jamir, what you want today for lunch? More fries? Jamaica's fries man and him love him fish. Jamie, what's up with you? You like, you wanna come over here and sit with mommy? Come and sit with me until daddy gets back. Come now. Come sit with me till daddy gets back. Come now. Okay. Alright, tell me what you have. So they have jerk shrimp, Jamaican pause for a second. Let me tell you what they have. French fries. Let me see. French fries. Yeah, burgers, tacos. Jamaican, you want to try the taco? Don't hold on to any cords, my love. You want to try a taco? So they have fish tacos and chicken tacos.
Where's those normal tacos?
What's in a normal taco? What's on your face?
I don't know. Right there, where the light is coming from. When you look at it, it makes your eyes.
Alright, here you go, Jamir.
We can leave now and eat it at home. We can now leave and eat it at home.
Thank you. Jamir, here you go, eat your fries. Yes, thank you so much.
Tells her that it might have been rain. Something is off here. He's barely able to control the way he moves.
Javi, look on the menu and tell us what you'd like. Thank you. This is the one I want. Yes.
Mommy, no,
Yes, please. So that guys are at Chill Pops. And we got some fruity popsicles. You wanna dance with me? Thank you, my love. Here we go.
Wait, Mommy, what did Jamir ordered?
So Jamir got the cookie and cream.
Oh, right, so that means Jamir.
Yeah, and Daddy also got the cookie and cream. Welcome. And then Javi got the watermelon and I got the passion fruit. And I love a good passion fruit. So I'm gonna taste it and see how it is. Guys, so we're at Chill Pops and it's just this cute little popsicle stand. I mean, it's more than just a popsicle stand. Like, I'm always hearing like great reviews about how good the popsicles are. So I decided to try it and I got the passion what? Mango passion.
Wait, Dad, you remember the big phone? Promise? You said
really
next
rich.
week I can have the TV.
And I can taste the mango.
You not
I'm tasting the mango more than I'm tasting the passion. But yeah, it's really good. Liking your cookie and cream. Good? Okay. Alright, thank you. Guys, we're back home from our little lunch/dinner date, plus a little sweet treat afterwards. So we went to Ivan's restaurant here in Negril for lunch. Yeah, it was like a late lunch/dinner. The food was okay. Yeah, it was a nice little chill spot. But next time we'll probably go to like Margaritaville or something like that. Next we went to Chill Pops and that was cute. Lovely little setup. And the pops, well, the fruity pop that I got was mango passion. It was very rich. could taste the mango, I could taste the passion. So yeah, the boys had theirs, they enjoyed it. Boys, I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie. The makeup kind of came out somewhat okay-ish today. I had minimal, like, what I call it now, sweating, and my face wasn't as oily. My hair though is looking a mess. I need to find like some new styles I can wear it in. But yeah, this makeup is kind of looking better than what it was yesterday. What's up? You guys need to take off your clothes.
So I can't use TV, okay?
You can use the TV if you want, my love.
Alright, all I wanted to do was just press the skin, okay?
Sure. We're on the road and all Jabby wanted to do was come home and play games, so.
No, all I wanted to do is just go home and press the skin.
And purchase a skin for his game. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take this makeup off, probably do a little skincare. And then we'll just chill for the rest of the night. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I don't know because we're here for another day, so I don't know what we'll get up to tomorrow. But maybe I'll have to include like tomorrow's shenanigans in another vlog because this vlog is already so long. I'm estimating it to be like an hour or more unless I'm gonna like speed it up and like put music over, which I'm trying not to do as much as, because like on the days I used to just speed up every little thing and add music, but now I sometimes have like some meaningful conversations that I'd love to share with you guys, and so I don't really want to speed up and put music over everything. But I'm about to say it from time to time, but hopefully you guys find some value in what I'm sharing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I sure did. I had like a fab birthday, pre-birthday, on the day, post-birthday celebration. It was everything I could have, you know, wished for and more. So big up my zaddy for, you know, always going out of his way to ensure that I have a wonderful day. You know, my family and friends, like all my online family and friends as well, who like reached out, just wish me a happy birthday and made sure that my day was special. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all. This fit is still giving, super cute, love it. Like I feel like I'm gonna make like some more colors in this. Like I didn't even realize that this is how bomb the fit was. And as I said, it's so versatile. You can do whatever you want with it. You can dress it up. I just chose to wear it like this. You can even do a little crisscross with the neck. Can wear it upside down. You can wear it as a bandeau. Like it has so much potential, something that I didn't see before because this is the first time I'm wearing the set myself. But you know, my customers always give me great feedback on how the pieces are. But I was sleeping on this set, guys. Please do not sleep on this set. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave my online store here. It is CoutureJA.com. You guys can send in your orders, your color requests, whatever you really need, and I'll get it to you. So yeah, that's it for the night. I'll catch you all, so peace. Bye from a 32-year-old. Can you believe I'm 32? Anyway guys, see ya.